Hi, I thought I'd make a little Zoom video to walk you through probably the fastest, easiest way to add hyperlinks to anything you're working on, really. Um, what I'd recommend for this assignment is to put your answers to the tasks into a Word document. In the email I send with this video, I will also include the links to IUware with a few simple instructions, and that'll show you how to get Microsoft Word for free as an IU student, in case you haven't gotten instructions on that little bit yet. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to set up this video as if you already have Word, but like I said, I'll include instructions separately for that bit as well. All right, so here we go. Hopefully, I'm going to switch and share my screen. Give me just a minute. Okay, so now you can see my screen, and it's hopefully also recording my cursor. You can see that we are in the resources at IU assignment. If mine looks a little different, it's just because I have the teacher interface, so it changes some of the colors and some of the formats and shapes slightly, but all the information should look the same. All right, so I'm going to click this hyperlink that's in the assignment to get to the IU website. From here, just as the prompt adds, I'll kind of scroll around looking for tabs that sort of interest me and let that help me lead a direction to learning about the different offices and resources that we have on campus. So I went into students. And there's lots of tabs. I could learn about Student Center, paying for college, get a little more familiar with the academic calendar, uh, just for fun, because this is something we'll be exploring next class. I'm going to go to the academic advising office. All right. Before I settle on it, I might read through the information that they have on this website, clicking different tabs, seeing if there's information I'm interested in writing, a sentence or two about for the assignment at hand. If I decide I want to share my insight about this office, the first thing I'll do to be able to hyperlink it is I'm going to select and copy the URL from the bar up here. So I'll just do a select, and then I can right click it to copy it, or hit edit, copy. All right. And then right now it's copied to my clipboard. So then I would go to the Word document that I'm developing my answers in. Just so it's familiar, I just did before I started this video, a copy of the assignment, same way, either Control C or Edit Copy. So I could remember the specific prompts. Task number 3 asks me to share the hyperlink. So this is what you were asking about. What I would do, perhaps don't need a number, but that's fine if I have one, is the first thing I do is I type in the name of the office that I want to link. So I had selected academic advising. All right. Once I have that um, typed out, I'm going to highlight it. All right, and then I'm going to go up to insert. Hopefully you can see my screen all the way up here. Insert's going to appear right next to your home key in Word. I'm going to select insert, and that's going to give me another menu bar. And then I'm going to come over. Hopefully this works. Oops, I'm a little bit running into my Zoom control bar, but I'm going to come over and click on this link tab. So let me back out one more time just to make sure you can see it. So we go home, we go insert, we go to link. All right. And then I'm going to get this menu bar. It defaults to link to a web page or file. That's the one we want. You could also be linking to another document or email address, but that can be for future use. All right. You can see the text that I highlighted shows up in this bar that says academic advising or text to display. All right, so that's what's going to continue to show up in my file. And then in this empty bar, with the clicking cursor here, we are going to paste the URL that we copied. So you can do that with a Control V. That's the kind of shortcut key command in Word. If you have a Mac, it's Command V. Or at that moment, you can right click and it'll give you a paste option. All right. From there, you'll click OK. And then all of a sudden, that text that you had put in shows up as blue and underlined, which is always our signal that it is a link. All right. And as soon as I hover over it, you can see a little box pops up that shows the URL that it's linked to. From there, anyone can just click on that link and it is going to bring you back to the tab. There we go. Hopefully that helps. If you have trouble with it, don't stress. I won't count it late if you want to meet a little bit before class, after class on Wednesday, just to get a bit more instruction. I'll help you through. All right. Take care. Hope this helps.